Hey Pandy's peeps, Pandi here of Pandy's Hair Candy and More. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, welcome. If we are already chat family, welcome back. Ladies, are you looking for a nice mid to medium length bob synthetic unit, affordable, yet looks more like a human hair dupe? Well, you might just want to come on over and check out the full unboxing and review on this little baddie right here. This is the Outre melted hairline in the style ROSELYN. If you want to see the full unboxing and review on this pretty little unit, come on over to Pandy's Hair Candy and More. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.